Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to set up mobile hotspot on Windows 10. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to set up mobile hotspot on Windows 10. First, just click on the start icon, right click, and then click on settings, and then in the search bar just type mobile hotspot, and then you see here share my internet connection with other devices. Here you can turn it on, and after that share my internet connection from Wi-Fi, and here if you click on it you can also connect it with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, but I didn't connect the laptop the Bluetooth here, that's why I don't have this option. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to set up mobile hotspot on Windows 10. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.